Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini retro image. First, understand the distinct visual style of retrofuturism, blending past visions of the future. Focus on a vibrant color scheme, often featuring electric blues, deep purples, and bright pinks to capture that iconic feel. Next, incorporate classic design elements like glowing neon lines, geometric shapes, and subtle grid overlays. This foundation is crucial for achieving an authentic retro aesthetic. To truly nail the retro look, gradients are your best friend. Use them to create smooth transitions and a luminous, almost ethereal glow that was popular in 1980s sci-fi art. Don't forget to add subtle scanline or VHS distortion effects. These instantly transport your image back in time, giving it a wonderfully authentic vintage feel. Finally, select appropriate typography, favoring bold, clean sans serif, fonts that evoke early digital interfaces, and classic arcade games. For creating these images, standard image editing software like Photoshop or GIMP is essential. Work with multiple layers to build up your design, allowing for precise control over each element. Experimenting with different blending modes can yield surprisingly unique and vibrant visual effects, especially when combining colors and textures. To add that final touch of authenticity, apply subtle noise or grain filters. This gives your image an aged, textured appearance, mimicking older media. To truly master retro Gemini images, immerse yourself in the art and design of the 1980s. Look at old movie posters, album covers, and arcade game graphics for endless inspiration. Don't be afraid to experiment and combine various effects. This is how you'll develop your own unique and recognizable style. Remember, practice is key to perfecting these techniques. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.